Hey guys, welcome back to the Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss our next question, that is find pivot index. Okay, so we have given an array as an input from user, and what is the pivot index in this question? What is the definition of that question? So let's take the definition from here onto our open board. So the pivot index is the index where sum of all the numbers strictly on the left are strictly equals to the right. That means it is a pivot index in this array. Okay, let's understand question first. Sum of all these numbers sum is 11 on its right, and all the numbers sum on its right, on its left and right should be equal. If left sum is equals to right sum, then the index is pivot index. Okay, so for finding the pivot index, let's take a brute force approach. That is not a brute force, but if we iterate over this loop and we take the sum, and we are starting from here 1, 8, 11, at this position 6, 7. So at this position, we know the pivot index, so we can find the left sum. We need to find the right sum also. So we need to again iterate on over this loop. So for finding the pivot index in one iteration, we need to calculate sum of this array. That is 6 plus 5, 11 plus 6, 17, 20, 7, 8, 20. Now we take the left sum first and the right sum. Okay, left sum and right sum. So left sum is 0 here and right sum is 28. We are initializing this sum as a 28. Now we are at first position. The first work you have to do that minus right sum with array of I, that is 27, and compare these two. First work is update update right sum. Second, compare is it equal or not, or last will be update left sum. Okay, left sum, where we need to update this left sum. Now update this left sum for the next iteration. So updation, this will be 1, this will be 27. Now we are at this position. First we need to minus this array of I from right sum. Now it is 20. Okay, and we need to compare it. First we need to update that. Now we need to compare that it is equal. No, it is not equal. Then update this as I array of I. It is 1 plus 7, 8, 20 here. Update R sum. Now minus this. Now it is 17. Now we are at this position. Compare these two. It is equal. No, it is not equal. Then update again. Now 8 plus 3, 11, 17. Minus 6 from 17, that is 11. Now compare these two. So this is equal. Okay. So because of this is equal, we have the right sum or left sum, and right sum have also. Okay. So this is our pivot index, and we need to return that. We need to make sure that we need to return that. Okay. Now I recommend you to pause the video here and do code you by yourself. If you do not, if you can't do the code by yourself, let's come here and again watch the solution. Now let's take into the full screen. So first we need to find sum. Sum will be from 0. For loop is starting. For is starting. I is starting from 0 to I is less than array dot size. Okay, and I plus plus sum plus equals to array of I. Now we need to take left sum here. Left sum is at 0 and the right sum is at sum equals to sum. Why? Because we are taking the right sum is 28 at first iteration. So for that purpose, okay. Now running loop over the array starting from 0, array dot is, and I should be plus plus here. Now first condition, we need to update the right sum. After that, compare it. After that, update left sum. Okay, for update right sum, our sum is minus equals to array of I. For comparing it, right sum should be equals to left sum. If it is true, then we are returning I here. Now update left sum. So what is left sum? Array of I. Array of I. Okay. If we can't find the perfect index, that is pivot index, we need to return -1 from here. So let's try to run this code first. So it runs successfully, but it returns -1 here. So let's so we need to update left sum. We are doing the minus here. So the output is 3. At the third index we have an pivot index. Okay. So let's try run this code first. From this, okay, this is the third index. Okay, now sum will be is 28, left sum is 0, and right sum is 28. So first work is update r sum, that is minus array of I. Second work will be comparison. Compare. If it is true, then return I, but it is not true, then update this. This is 7 for this iteration. Now 27. Now it is 27 here. Okay, 1, it is 1. Now update r sum minus this 20. Okay, compare it, not equals, then update I 8. This is 20. Again update r sum. First r sum, that is 17. Compare both, it is not equals, then again update I as a 11. It is 17. First work, update, it is 11. Now check again, compare it, now it is equal, then return I. Because of that it returns 3. So I hope you understand the question and the approach of this question. Thank you for watching.